Hello YouTube, Nathan. Today I'd like to make an update on my slime blower project. Details here and there. I'm going to do a test of the slime blower mechanism itself before and after. I'm going to test it with water only, and then I'm going to make up a slime solution, which is made of Methyl-cellulose. Hopefully this is the right type. This is a pound of powder, and in my fire extinguisher tank I will be putting a single gallon of water in there. Now I'm going to have to find out the ratios of this, water to powder, powder to water, whatever it goes. I'm going to be using an air compressor, just a regular air compressor. I've tried to pump up my tank. I think I've gotten up to maybe 80 psi, but with water in it, it may pump up higher pressure. I tested that out. When I put water into it, I was able to get up 80 psi pretty easily. Anyway, this is my slime blower, which is a garden fire hose like device. It just attaches to your garden hose, and some various PVC pipe fittings, a couple of pipe caps, and air tank, like air compressor fittings. The way this works is one will be connected to my tank. This will be regulating the pressure of the slime, while the other one will be going to the air compressor, and I can just regulate that with a air compressor valve to get the right flow ratio to that. Now I wanted to do a water test first, because I had to adjust the nozzle to a form that would spray in a uniform fashion here. Straight fashion. This was also shown in another video, maybe a couple, I don't know. It's just a regular chemical fire extinguisher with some bits added to it. I took out the dial thingy and put in a T fitting on there, and a pump nozzle. I don't know if it comes from a bicycle or a water pressure air tank. I have put a air fitting on there too. And to hold this down, I had gone through the process of, get back up here, drilling out a hole on the side of it. So I just put a small nail into it to lock it into place when I'm not using it, or I pull the lever down and put the nail back in to lock it on the on position. Now let's get loading and fire off my fire extinguisher. Now that was just with a tank of water and a bit of air. Now, let's try with some slime. A quick comment. I didn't feel like that this test was very good, so I'm going to be doing another one later on as soon as I get time to do it. And my brother is going to be behind the trigger. Stay tuned for that. I will definitely be covered in slime. My last batch was clear, so I'm going to put some color with this one. Your suggestions down in the comments. What do you think? Should I use the pink slime from Ghostbusters, or should I use green slime? Your choice will be in the video. Thank you for watching. Please comment, like, subscribe, and click the bell icon for further notifications of upcoming videos.